Welcome to Helsinki. I am Katriina Aaltosetälä.
I am Vesa Olkkonen. We are the local chairs for the 89th EAS Congress 2021 in Helsinki, the capital of Finland.
I'm Marja-Riitta Täskinen, Professor Emerita, and I'm working in EAS Congress Committee as the chair.
Our EAS Congress will include the scientific highlights of the year presented by experts from Europe and around the world. The topics include atherosclerosis, lipid and lipoprotein metabolism linked with clinical manifestations.
The EAS Scientific Program Committee has created an attractive program for you to enjoy, with outstanding plenaries given by the top experts. The scientific highlight will be the prestigious Anichkov Lecture and Prize, recognizing outstanding and novel research in the field of atherosclerosis linked with metabolic disturbances.
EAS is a platform for the latest inspiring research through workshops and research panel discussions to find out about the hot topics in the field. The EAS Congress will also focus on the new treatment strategies to benefit your patient in your clinical practice.
EAS will provide excellent opportunities to meet your colleagues and friends from all around the world in a friendly and relaxed atmosphere.
Helsinki is a winner of the European Capital of Smart Tourism 2019 competition. Helsinki will do its utmost to make the delegates feel safe and comfortable.
Welcome to Helsinki.